Let's have a look at this magic color kit from Luxor. Color any picture of your choice by using these 8 magic color pens as per the color of the body. By using this kit, you can make 14 colors from just 8 colors. Now for the magical part, just run your magic pen across any of the 8 colors and zoom. It turns the 8 colors into the color of the pen's cap. Surprise your friends with a magical touch of colors. Let's have a look at this another magic book. Simply rub the pages with pencil and see the magic. Enjoy shading and have fun.